Good morning guys, today we've got your HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, enter the settings, then find and select Biometrics and password and go to Fingerprint ID. At first you need to set some PIN code. Once it is done, or if you have it already, just click on Device Unlock to use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so you can either hold your phone as you usually do it, or do it in any other convenient way. Just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, place it on the sensor, and keep repeating till it's fully added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already set, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. As you can see, it's quick and easy, just like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.